In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields on deals in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Custom fields let you capture the exact information your team needs, beyond the standard fields Pipedrive gives you. Think things like a competitor name, contract start date, or customer tier. Setting them up is quick, and once you add them, they'll be available whenever you create or work on leads and deals. Start by heading to your profile menu at the top right of Pipedrive. Click that, then choose Company Settings. If you're not seeing this option, you may need admin access, so check with your account owner. On the left-hand panel inside Company Settings, find and click Data Fields. This is the central place where you define what information your team can capture across the account. Next, switch to the Lead or Deal tab. This focuses your custom fields specifically on lead and deal records, which is where most sales teams track pipeline data. If you're tracking prospects before they become qualified opportunities, choose Lead. If you're tracking active opportunities, choose Deal. You can create the same field in both if you want consistent data throughout the funnel. Now, click the Add Custom Field button at the top left. Enter the details for your field. Give it a clear, descriptive name your team will recognize, and pick the field type that best fits the data you want. For example, use text for open notes like a campaign name, number for quantities or headcount, date for deadlines, monetary for budgets, a single option or multiple option list for standardized choices, a checkbox for simple yes or no, or a user field if you want to assign responsibility. When using lists, add concise options that match how your team actually speaks. Keeping names consistent helps with filtering and reporting later. A short description can also guide teammates on what to enter and when. Once you've created the field, you're done. From now on, when you create new leads or deals, that custom field will appear on the form, ready for you to add values. You can also open any existing lead or deal and fill it in there, which helps you backfill important data over time. Tip: establish a simple naming convention and define which fields are essential for each pipeline stage, so your team enters information consistently, and that's all. You've added a custom field to leads or deals in Pipedrive, giving your sales process the structure it needs without extra clutter. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.